Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we will be creating this kind of cinematic text design using Adobe Photoshop. This design is fully customizable. You can change its color and you can also edit the text. So if you want to download this project file, click on the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. So subscribe to the channel, also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. Now let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, so here we are in Photoshop and the first thing that we need to do is to create new document. As always, the size is 1920 by 1080 and the resolution is 72 pixels per inch. Click on create. For the background, let's create a gradient adjustment layer. Select this black and white gradient. Click here to edit it. Select this point and change its color. Let's pick a dark bluish color. Hit OK. Change its style to radial. Increase its scale to about 270%. Check the reverse option to swap the color and then hit OK. Now drag and drop this light image into the Photoshop. Scale it and click on this icon to confirm it. Also change its blend mode to screen. Now create a curves adjustment layer on top of it and click on this icon to create a clipping mask. Go to the red channel and decrease it and increase the blue channel. Now select the type tool, click anywhere on the canvas and type whatever you want. Confirm it and align the text into the center. Now convert this layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Right click on it and go to blending option. In the layer style menu, click on bevel and emboss. Style is inner bevel, technique is smooth, depth is 200%, direction is down, size is 5, angle is 90, altitude is 45. Click on this drop down menu and select this preset. Highlight mode is screen, color is a bright blue, and the opacity is 70%. Shadow mode is multiply, color is black, and opacity is 50%. Now click on gradient overlay. Click here and select this black and white gradient. Now select this point and change its color. Let's pick dark bluish color and then hit OK. Check the reverse option and increase its scale to 150% and then hit OK. Now duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J. Also remove all of this effect from it because we don't need it. Right click on it and go to blending option once again. This time click on color overlay. Click here and choose a bright bluish color. Hit OK. Now go to filter, blur and choose motion blur. Angle is 0 and the distance is 800 pixels. Hit OK. Now hold the Control key on your keyboard and click on this icon to create a blank layer beneath the selected layer. Make sure your foreground color is black and fill the selected layer with black color. Now select the top layer and create a curves adjustment layer. Adjust the curves just like this to add brightness and contrast. Now select all of these three layers and group them together by pressing Ctrl G. Let's call it motion blur. Change its blend mode to screen and drag it down. Also move it to the left side. Now drag and drop this lens flare into the Photoshop. Confirm it and drag it to the top. Also change its blend mode to screen. Now to colorize it, press Ctrl U to open hue and saturation. Check the colorize option. Increase its saturation to 55 and hue to 210 and then hit OK. Now create new layer, select the rectangular marquee tool and make selection on its top area. Make sure your foreground color is black and fill this area with black color. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Grab your move tool, hold Alt or Option key on your keyboard and drag it down. Select both layers and merge them together by pressing Ctrl E. Let's call it film bars. Now you can create a hue and saturation adjustment layer on top of everything, and by moving this slider you can change its color. You can also edit the text. Double click on this layer, it will open another document and here you can do whatever you want. Now as you can see it is cutting off, so go to image and click on reveal all, it will fix the problem. Close the document and save it and Photoshop will update everything for you. By the way, if you want to learn how to create this design, you can watch this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video just like this one. I'll be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.